Hello and welcome back to the Maduabum Law Firm LLC channel. Today, we want to talk about a serious issue that we see far too often in marriage-based green card cases. If you and your spouse are living apart, even temporarily, that decision could put your green card application at risk, and in some cases, it can lead to a denial. Let's talk about why this matters and what you need to know before it becomes a problem. When you apply for a marriage-based green card, USCIS isn't just looking at your marriage certificate. They're trying to determine whether your marriage is real, what the law calls a bona fide marriage. One of the first things immigration officers look at is whether you and your spouse actually live together. From USCIS's perspective, married couples usually share a home, build a life together, and function as a household. So, when a couple lives separately, it immediately raises questions. Now, living apart is not automatically illegal, and it does not always mean your case will be denied. But it does increase scrutiny. Officers will want to know why you don't live together, how often you see each other, and whether your lives are truly intertwined. During interviews, couples are often asked simple questions like, "Where do you live? How long have you lived there? Why doesn't your spouse live with you?" If the answers don't line up, or if the explanation is vague, it can lead to delays, requests for evidence, or even a denial. We often see couples living apart because of work in another state, school obligations, military service, or family responsibilities. These reasons can be acceptable, but USCIS won't just take your word for it. They expect proof that the marriage is still real despite the separation. That means showing that you stay connected, share finances, visit each other regularly, and have a clear plan to live together. Without that kind of evidence, USCIS may assume the marriage exists only on paper. Living apart can be especially risky if you're attending a green card interview, filing to remove conditions on a 2-year green card, or responding to a request for evidence. At these stages, even small inconsistencies can seriously hurt your case. If you and your spouse are currently living apart, the most important thing you can do is prepare properly. Don't wait until the interview to figure out how to explain your situation. Talk to an immigration attorney early, make sure your explanation is truthful and consistent, and gather strong documentation to support your case. And never try to guess what USCIS wants to hear. Credibility matters, and misrepresentations can have long-term consequences. Marriage-based green card cases are closely examined, and living apart, if not handled correctly, can put your immigration future at risk. If you have questions about your situation or you're worried about how living separately may affect your case, get legal advice before it's too late. Contact Maduabum Law Firm LLC at 973-732-1490. We help families navigate immigration law with clarity and confidence. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who may need to hear this. Thank you for watching.